Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Marcus app won't open, here's how to get it running again. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Marcus app and then swipe it away and then reopen it. Now, head over to your app store, search for the Marcus app and then see if there is any updates available. If so, make sure to update your app. Issues like app not opening happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Then restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches. Now head over to your app store settings, then iPhone storage. After that, look for the Marcus app, then offload it. Offloading your app will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. After that, ensure that your device meets the OS requirements. After these steps, the Marcus app should launch normally without errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.